Hi friends, today I'm going to show you my homemade tank water level monitoring system. Actually, I made this system almost 2.5 years back and still it is working without any issues. Now, let me tell you how it works. Here is my control buttons, LCD. Actually, this is a Nokia LCD. Power supply changeover button. Here is my fuse carrier. Bypass button. The reason why I need a bypass button, because if something happened to the system, I still need to turn on my water pump. So I will just turn on this button. After that, I will control my water pump using the main switch, using this button like this. Oh, okay, so this is my pretty old tank water level monitoring system. I made it with some LEDs, and this is basically two red LEDs, orange LED and green LEDs. Water flow LED. If water is flowing, this green LED used to blink. This is not working anymore. My battery, I can remove my battery like this. The reason why I need a battery for this system, because if there is a power outage, I still need to know how much water is remaining in my water tank. So that time I can press this button so that the main power supply will switch over to the battery power. So I can just monitor the water level in this display. That's it. Auto button. What it does, when I press this, system will change from auto mode to manual mode and vice versa. Like right now you can see the letter A, that means the system is in auto mode right now. When I press this, it became M. So right now the system is in manual mode. So when the system is in auto mode, what it does, actually the water pump will automatically turn on when water inside the tank reaches to a specific configured level. For an example, in menu, okay, now you can see it. In menu you can see auto 1%. So I set it up like 25%. That means whenever water inside the water tank reaches to 25%, system will automatically turn on water pump and monitor the water level, and when it reaches to 100%, the system will turn off the water pump automatically. So even I can change this percentage value. Okay, I'm not sure you are able to see properly. Okay, I can press this button, menu button. Yeah, you can see 75, 0%, 25%, and the other option is like flow delay. Like the system will wait for water. If water is not coming in water tank within stipulated time delay, which we have set it over here, the system will turn off the water pump. For an example, I will show you right now. The flow delay, I set it up like 10 seconds. I'm going to turn on water pump by pressing this power button. Let me show you what happens. So now the motor is on and it's waiting for water flow. It will wait for 10 seconds. Motor is off, no water flow. So the system automatically detected that there is no water flow, so it turned off the water pump. Tank is filling up right now. You can see this transition from 50% to 75%. The reading is not stable because that float in the tank is moving. Here is another example. Right now you can see that the water level in the tank is 100%. If you try to turn on water pump, it will say motor is off. The reason is tank full. Once again, tank full. Now I would like to show you the components inside this system. So let me unbox this system and show you what is inside. See, these are the components inside this system. A lot of wires. I don't really remember how I have done all these things because it's been almost 2.5 years, as I mentioned. A lot of stuff inside. Even I'm wondering. So here you can see this one. This is a DC power supply. It will convert AC to 5 volt. You can see all these parts are DC power supply, and this one I covered with the double side tape. This is basically RJ45 jack over here, and this is my LCD display here. This one. This is the button, changeover button, power supply changeover button. This is my power button. This is the buzzer. Battery comes here, and this is the relay. I will turn on my light to show you this. So now better. So this is the relay module. This is the bypass button, bypass switch, and here is the brain. It's actually it's a Arduino. I can show you this. Yes. So this is the Arduino. I made this Arduino on PCB. Here is my, I believe this is, this is a transistor which used for power supply switchover from this power supply to battery. This is the back side of Arduino board. Now I am planning to upgrade this system using a bigger LCD like this one. Actually, this is a custom made LCD. So you can see all these connections. Also this time I'm going to measure water level by measuring water pressure using this pressure sensor instead of float sensors. I'll be uploading a video describing every step of this project, including how you can make your own custom display. So please make sure you will subscribe and press the notification button so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching.